Imagine sitting in your living room at night and the ceiling glows. The walls have no shadow and the balcony shines just right. That perfect balance doesn't happen by chance. It's designed. And today we will take the electrical symbols we learned in the last episode and apply in this episode. And before we add light, let's prepare the stage so nothing gets wrong. So move to layer properties and make sure the layer properties is turned on. And this is just like clearing the drawing table before starting an arts project, which should be neat and focused. Let's commence by setting the lighting in the living room. The living room is essentially where the family gathers, so it needs both peace and beauty. Into place, ceiling resets spotlight bulbs around the perimeter of the parlor and a decorative pendant light in the center. Align spaces using the copy command. So you click on the copy command and you align. Spotlight bulbs are like stars framing your night sky, while the pendant is the moon, the center everyone notices. Let's move into the bedroom. In the bedroom, comfort is key, so you don't want harsh lighting when you are relaxing. So instead, surface mounted downlight at the center. Add wall lights near the bed for reading. The ceiling brightens the whole space, while wall lamps are like bedside lamps. Add whisper instead of shouting. Let's take a look at our toilet lighting. The toilet might be small, but safety and clarity matters here. Instead, a ceiling recess LED spotlight bulb, and make sure it is centered. Use the waterproof notation in the label. Think of this like a lighthouse in a harbor, which is compact but powerful enough to keep you safe. Corridor and stair. Corridors and stairs are high risks in the dark. Lighting here prevents accidents. Place wall-mounted LED lights evenly along the corridor, and equally add spotlights above the stair area. These lights are like road maps on the street. They don't just light your way, they keep you safe from stumbling. And now let's look at the exterior balcony lighting. Now step outside. The balcony needs light that is strong and waterproof. Insert a wall-mounted outdoor LED, and it's equally important to label our fixtures. And there we have it. Residential plan now glows with light in every room. And in the next episode, we'll connect these lamps to switches. So imagine walking through this house and switching on lights exactly where you plant them. Hit subscribe and let's wire it together.